WhatsApp just added a new feature called Member Tags. Here's how to add a member tag in WhatsApp group chats in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Member tags let you describe your role or identity inside a group chat. Your tag appears under your name and helps others know who you are in the group. First, open WhatsApp and go to the group chat where you want to add a member tag. Tap the group name or the member list at the top of the chat. Scroll down until you see the list of group members. Tap on your own name in the members list. Now type your member tag. This can be your role, title, or how you want to be known, like admin, designer, or event organizer. Tap Save. Your member tag is now active. Your tag appears below your name on every message you send. It's visible to all current and new group members. Member tags are group-specific. You can use a different tag in every WhatsApp group you're in. Use short and clear tags so everyone understands your role instantly. And that's it. That's how you add a member tag in WhatsApp group chats in 2026. Subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and new features.